When it comes to nourishing your skin, natural body lotions are a game changer. Packed with wholesome ingredients, these lotions not only hydrate but also help maintain your skin's health in the long run. If you're tired of synthetic ingredients and are looking for more natural alternatives, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll explore 5 of the best natural body lotions that hydrate, soften, and promote healthy skin. Let's dive in and find your next favorite lotion. Kicking off our list at number 1, Kora Organics Noni Glow Body Lotion. The Kora Organics Noni Glow Body Lotion is a luxurious, all-natural lotion designed to deeply hydrate and firm your skin. Infused with noni fruit extract, this lotion is designed to promote radiant, glowing skin while nourishing dry and stressed areas. It's the perfect option for those seeking a natural, clean skincare routine with certified organic ingredients. Key features: this body lotion boasts a blend of high-quality ingredients, including noni fruit extract, coconut oil, and rosehip oil. The noni fruit is known for its antioxidant-rich properties, helping to protect your skin from environmental stressors. Additionally, the lotion is free from synthetic fragrances, parabens, sulfates, and artificial colors, making it an excellent choice for those with sensitive skin. Benefits and usage: Kora Organics Noni Glow Body Lotion is ideal for those looking to enhance their skin's radiance while providing deep hydration. The rich formula is packed with fatty acids, which help to lock moisture into the skin and improve its elasticity. After a shower, gently massage the lotion into your body, focusing on areas prone to dryness, like elbows and knees. Over time, you'll notice smoother, healthier skin with a natural glow. Usability: the lotion has a smooth, creamy texture that absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue. It's easy to apply and perfect for daily use. Its subtle, natural scent makes it a pleasant addition to your skincare routine, offering a calming experience while providing skin benefits. Durability: thanks to the presence of coconut oil and other nourishing ingredients, the Kora Organics Noni Glow Body Lotion provides long-lasting hydration. It keeps skin moisturized for hours, ensuring that you feel soft and refreshed throughout the day. A little goes a long way, making this lotion a great investment for your skincare routine. In the second spot, we have Weleda Skin Food Body Lotion. Weleda Skin Food Body Lotion is a cult favorite that has been around for decades, offering an incredibly nourishing experience for dry, rough skin. Known for its rich texture, this lotion is packed with plant-based ingredients, making it one of the best natural lotions for those looking to indulge their skin with the purest care. Key features: formulated with sunflower seed oil, chamomile, and calendula, Weleda Skin Food Body Lotion is designed to give your skin maximum moisture and protection. These plant-based ingredients help to calm and nourish even the most dehydrated skin. The lotion also includes sweet almond oil, which helps to lock in moisture, providing a lasting smoothness. Benefits and usage: Weleda Skin Food Body Lotion is perfect for dry, cracked, or rough skin, delivering intense hydration without feeling heavy. For best results, apply the lotion after a bath or shower to lock in moisture. It's ideal for use all over the body, particularly in areas that need extra care, such as elbows, knees, and hands. Usability: this body lotion has a thick, rich texture that provides deep moisture without being overly greasy. While it may take a few minutes to fully absorb into the skin, it's ideal for those needing serious hydration. The lotion has a light, herbal scent that isn't overpowering, making it suitable for sensitive noses. Durability: Weleda Skin Food Body Lotion offers long-lasting hydration, leaving skin feeling soft and moisturized throughout the day. It's perfect for those who struggle with dry skin in harsher climates or during colder months. The formula's nourishing ingredients ensure that your skin remains hydrated and protected for hours. Coming in at number 3 is the Balm Unscented Body Lotion. If you prefer a fragrance-free, all-natural lotion, Balm Unscented Body Lotion is the ideal choice. This lotion is crafted with simple, organic ingredients to hydrate and soften skin, making it a perfect option for those with sensitive skin or fragrance sensitivities. Key features: Badger Balm's unscented body lotion is made with organic ingredients such as aloe vera, sunflower oil, and jojoba oil. These ingredients work together to create a soothing, nourishing lotion that can be used on all skin types, even those prone to irritation. Additionally, it's USDA certified organic and free from synthetic fragrances, parabens, or harmful chemicals. Benefits and usage: this lotion is ideal for those with sensitive or reactive skin. The lightweight formula is easily absorbed, helping to hydrate the skin without any irritation. For best results, apply liberally to the body after a shower or bath to lock in moisture. It's gentle enough for daily use and perfect for use on the face and body. Usability: the lotion has a smooth, creamy texture that spreads easily and absorbs quickly. It doesn't leave a greasy or sticky residue, making it ideal for those who need moisture without the heaviness of thicker lotions. Its unscented formula ensures it won't compete with other fragrances or products in your routine. Durability: Badger Balm Unscented Body Lotion provides long-lasting hydration, leaving skin soft and supple. It's a great option for individuals with extremely dry skin, as it helps to restore moisture throughout the day. The formula is also gentle enough to use on irritated or sensitive skin areas, providing relief without causing further discomfort. Taking our fourth spot is the Honest Company Organic Body Lotion. The Honest Company Organic Body Lotion is a lightweight yet deeply nourishing lotion designed to hydrate and soften the skin. Made with certified organic ingredients, this lotion is a great choice for individuals seeking a natural, cruelty-free option for their skincare routine. Key features: this body lotion includes organic aloe vera, shea butter, and coconut oil, known for their hydrating and soothing properties. The formula is designed to provide quick relief for dry skin, and it's free from harsh chemicals like parabens, sulfates, and synthetic fragrances. Additionally, it's certified organic and hypoallergenic, making it safe for sensitive skin. Benefits and usage: the Honest Company Organic Body Lotion is perfect for everyday use, providing light moisture that absorbs quickly into the skin. Ideal for those with normal to dry skin, it helps keep skin feeling soft, smooth, and hydrated. Apply it generously after a bath or shower to lock in moisture and keep skin hydrated throughout the day. Usability: this lotion has a lightweight, non-greasy texture that is easy to apply and absorbs quickly into the skin. It's perfect for daily use and works well on both the body and face. The lotion has a light, natural scent that isn't overpowering, making it great for those who prefer minimal fragrance in their skincare products. Durability: the Honest Company Organic Body Lotion offers lasting hydration and helps maintain skin softness for hours. Its non-greasy formula ensures it won't leave a residue, and it's gentle enough for those with sensitive skin. You'll find that it provides effective moisture without weighing you down, making it an excellent everyday lotion. And finally, at number 5, we have Alba Botanica Very Emollient Body Lotion. Alba Botanica Very Emollient Body Lotion is a thick, rich lotion formulated with a combination of natural ingredients to deeply hydrate and nourish dry skin. With its blend of aloe, jojoba oil, and shea butter, this lotion is designed to offer long-lasting moisture and softness. Key features: this body lotion is packed with skin-loving ingredients, including aloe vera, sunflower oil, and shea butter. These ingredients work together to deeply hydrate and replenish the skin. It's also free from artificial fragrances, parabens, and phthalates, making it suitable for those who prefer more natural skincare solutions. Benefits and usage: Alba Botanica Very Emollient Body Lotion is ideal for individuals with extremely dry skin. The rich formula provides immediate relief, leaving skin feeling soft and deeply hydrated. For best results, apply the lotion liberally after a shower or bath to lock in moisture. It's also great for areas of the body that are prone to dryness, such as elbows and knees. Usability: this lotion has a creamy, emollient texture that absorbs well into the skin, providing instant relief to dry, rough patches. The lotion isn't greasy, and it doesn't leave a sticky residue, making it ideal for use throughout the day. It's gentle enough for daily use and offers lasting hydration without being too heavy. Durability. Alba Botanica Very Emollient Body Lotion provides deep, long-lasting hydration, making it a great choice for those in need of serious moisture. Its nourishing formula helps to keep skin soft and hydrated for hours, and it's perfect for tackling dryness in harsh weather conditions. This lotion is sure to leave your skin feeling nourished and smooth throughout the day. Choosing the right natural body lotion can make all the difference in how your skin feels and looks. Whether you prefer a rich and emollient formula like Alba Botanica or something lightweight like the Honest Company's organic body lotion, there's an option for everyone. These products offer great hydration, nourishment, and protection, all while being gentle on your skin and the environment. If you enjoyed this review and want more skincare tips, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite natural body lotions. Thanks for watching, and take good care of your skin.